Hey ladies, let's talk about something a lot of us have experienced, being interested in a shy guy. You know the type, quiet, reserved, adorable, but a bit of a mystery. If you ever tried flirting with a shy guy, you probably know it can sometimes feel like you're hitting a wall. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to navigate this without making it awkward, and even better, how to make them yours. First off, the key with shy guys is patience and playful honesty. Shy guys often take a lot longer to feel comfortable, so your job is to help him build up trust and safety around you. How do you do this? Easy. By keeping things fun, playful, and relaxed. Imagine this scenario. You're hanging out on the couch, chatting, and you notice he's maintaining some physical distance or seem hesitant. Instead of letting this silence get into your head, gently call it out, but playfully. Say something like, "Wow, am I scaring you away already? Should I just sit across the room? Is that better?" Do it playfully, but when you do this, make sure you're smiling warmly, clearly showing that you're joking and not actually hurt. This breaks the tension and shows him you're confident enough to handle a little awkwardness. Now, let's say you notice he's visibly nervous or shy when you get closer. The best thing you can do here is acknowledge it softly and sweetly. Put your hand gently on his arm. It's okay. Look into his eyes. It's okay. And reassure him with something playful yet comforting, like, "Relax. I'm not gonna bite. We're just hanging out." By lightly touching him and speaking calmly, you're letting him know that you're aware of his boundaries and you respect them. And at the same time, you're gently breaking down that shy barrier he's put up. The trick here is balancing playfulness with sincere reassurance. You don't want to come off like you're mocking his shyness or making him feel uncomfortable. If he pulls away or seems uncertain, show him it's completely okay. Maybe tease a bit more, exaggerating the awkwardness humorously, like, "Wow, this must be a new world record for couch distance." Laughter is one of the best ways to easily make someone's nerves go away, especially if he's naturally reserved. Another essential thing is maintaining your frame, meaning you stay calm, collected, and unaffected, even if he initially seems distant or awkward. When a shy guy sees you're not fazed by his nervousness, it makes him feel safer to open up. He's going to start trusting you because you're demonstrating maturity, understanding, and emotional intelligence. Over time, as he relaxes more around you, he'll start dropping his guard. You'll notice him smiling more, leaning in closer, maybe even initiating conversations, and a little bit of physical touch himself. Here's the golden rule. If he remains consistently uncomfortable, back off a bit. This usually means you're moving too fast or pushing a bit too hard. Slow down and build more comfort. Show him you're genuinely interested in getting to know him and that you genuinely care about how he feels around you. In short, to win over a shy guy, keep things playful, acknowledge and gently joke about his shyness, and consistently reassure him you're safe to be around. With patience, humor, and genuine care, you'll soon notice him becoming more relaxed and responsive, eventually dropping that guard entirely. Trust me, once that happens, he'll see you as someone uniquely capable of understanding him, and that bond can lead to something truly special. Good luck and happy flirting.